The expanse of rolling sand dunes you see here isn't anywhere near the Sahara, Abu Dhabi, or even Death Valley. Nope, it's actually just a hop, skip, and a jump away from here. Just a few short miles inland from the coast of Maine. But how did it get here? How is that even possible? It's a cautionary tale of unfortunate land misuse meets prehistoric geology. Once known locally as the Sand Farm, this desert isn't actually a true desert at all, since it gets 5 times the amount of rain a true desert receives. It's actually a bed of ancient glacial silt that today covers about 25 acres. This bed of sand got its start at the end of the last ice age, when this was all covered by the Laurentide ice sheet. Eventually, as the ice sheet retreated, it left behind minerals and sand deposits. Then a topsoil cap formed and covered over the sand, which paved the way for the growth of this Maine coastal forest. Later, in the late 1700s, the Tuttle family came in and started their farming industry. The overgrazing of their sheep that pull up the plants by the roots when they eat, and a failure to rotate their crops ultimately led to the topsoil eroding away and this glacial sand resurfacing. It started with an area of sand the size of a dinner plate and grew to over 100 acres. Swallowing up the farm, the equipment, and even all the buildings. Like this house they tried to build around a spring of water, which promptly got buried and destroyed. By the early 1900s, the Tuttle family abandoned the farm. It was eventually converted into a tourist attraction in 1925 and has been attracting intrepid explorers ever since. Slowly but surely, the forest is making its comeback, however. Sprouting up in patches here and there, with the sand now covering only around 25 acres. Until eventually, this out-of-place, arid landscape just might be swallowed up itself by the vast green sea of trees surrounding it.